हेलो बच्चों, मैथमेटिक्स फॉर्मूला सीरीज में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट स्ट्रेट लाइन रिवीजन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Straight line relation between Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate system. If x, y are Cartesian coordinates of a point P, then x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, and r equal to under root x square plus y square, theta equal to tan inverse y upon x. Now distance formula and its application. If a equal to a is the coordinates of a are x1 y1 and b x2 y2 are 2 points, then ab equal to under root x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Note, three given points a, b and c are collinear when sum of any two distances out of a, b, b, c, c, a is equal to the remaining third. Otherwise the points will be the vertices of triangle. Let a, b, c and d be the four given points in a plane, then the quadrilateral will be square if ab equal to bc equal to cd equal to da and ac equal to bd and AC is perpendicular to BD. That means that all the four sides are equal and diagonal is also equal and it is perpendicular bisector. Rhombus, if AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA and AC is not equal to BD but AC is perpendicular to BD. रोम्बस के लिए चारों साइड इक्वल होंगी, डायगोनल नहीं इक्वल होगा बट इट डायगोनल विल बाइसेक्ट एज 90 डिग्री. Parallelogram, if AB equal to DC means opposite side BC equal to AD. AC is not equal to BD, AC is neither perpendicular to BD. Rectangle, if AB equal to CD, BC equal to DA and AC equal to BD but AC is not perpendicular to BD. Section formula, the coordinates of a point dividing a line joining the point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n is given by. For internal division, it is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. For external division, it is mx2 minus nx1 upon m minus n, my2 minus ny1 upon m minus n. Line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 divides line joining points px1 y1 and qx2 y2 in ratio minus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon ax2 plus by2 plus c. Coordinates of some particular point. Let a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 and c x3 y3 are the vertices of any triangle ABC. Then centroid of the triangle. The centroid is the point of intersection of the medians of line joining the midpoints of sides and opposite vertices. What is centroid? Centroid is the point of intersection of the medians of line joining the midpoints of the sides and opposite vertices. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. 2:1. Coordinates of centroid G is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. If P is any internal point of triangle such that area of triangle APB, triangle APC and triangle BPC are same, then P must be a centroid. So the important formula, if suppose G is the centroid, then all the three area, this area, this area and this area will be equal in center. The incenter is the point of intersection of internal bisectors of the angles of a triangle. Also, it is the center of a circle touching all the sides of triangle. So, coordinates of incenter I is given by ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 upon a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 upon a plus b plus c. So, don't get confused. ABC are the sides of triangle ABC and not the equation of the straight line. Okay, and x1, x2, x3 and y1 y2 y3, these are the abscissa and ordinates of the given vertices. Note, angle bisector divides the opposite sides in the ratio of remaining sides. Example, BD upon DC equal to AB upon AC equal to C upon B. Incenter divides the angle bisectors in the ratio B plus C is to A, C plus A is to B, A plus B is to C. Circumcenter, it is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle. If O is the circumcenter of any triangle ABC, then OA square equal to OB square equal to OC square. Also, it is the center of a circle touching all the vertices of a triangle. Note, if a triangle is right angle, then its circumcenter is midpoint of hypotenuse. Find perpendicular bisector of any two sides and then solve them to find the circumcenter. Orthocenter, it is the point of intersection of perpendicular drawn from vertices on opposite sides of a triangle and can be obtained by solving the equation of any two altitudes. Note, if a triangle is a right angle triangle, then orthocenter is the point where right angle is formed. Remarks, if the if the triangle is equilateral, then centroid, incenter, orthocenter, circumcenter coincide. Orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter are always collinear, and centroid divides the line joining orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. In an isosceles triangle, centroid, orthocenter, incenter, circumcenter lies on the same line. X centers. The center of the circle which touches side BC and the extended portions of sides AB and AC is called the X center of triangle ABC with respect to the vertex A, and it is denoted by I1 and its coordinates are I1 का कोऑर्डिनेट होता है माइनस ए एक्स वन प्लस बी एक्स टू प्लस सी एक्स थ्री अपॉन माइनस ए प्लस बी प्लस सी माइनस ए वाई वन प्लस बी वाई टू प्लस सी वाई थ्री अपॉन माइनस ए प्लस बी प्लस सी. Similarly, X centers of triangle ABC with respect to vertices B and C are denoted by I2 and I3 respectively. और I2 में हम अब देखिए BC की तरफ है, इसलिए इसका एंगल जो भी होगा B वाला वो माइनस में चलेगा. यहाँ पर पहला था I सेंटर X सेंटर I1, तो ये माइनस ए था, अब यहाँ माइनस बी होगा, तो ए एक्स वन माइनस बी एक्स टू प्लस सी एक्स थ्री अपॉन ए माइनस बी प्लस सी. ए बी सी क्या है? साइड्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल है, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. ओके, ए वाई वन माइनस बी वाई टू प्लस सी वाई थ्री अपॉन ए माइनस बी प्लस सी. ए एक्स वन प्लस बी एक्स टू माइनस सी एक्स थ्री फॉर आई थ्री अपॉन ए प्लस बी माइनस सी. ए वाई वन प्लस बी वाई टू माइनस सी वाई थ्री अपॉन ए प्लस बी माइनस सी. Area of a triangle, let a x1 y1 b x2 y2 and c x3 y3 are vertices of a triangle, then area of triangle ABC is given by modulus of half determinant x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, the old format. Now remarks, if the area of the triangle joining 3 points is 0, then the points are collinear. Area of equilateral triangle, if altitude of any equilateral triangle is p, then its area is p square by root 3. If a be the side of equilateral triangle, then its area is root 3 by 4 a square. Area of quadrilateral, very important. Area of quadrilateral whose consecutive vertices are x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x4 y4 is. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल तो हमने देखा, अब एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल डायरेक्ट निकालने का मेथड, हाफ तो डिटर्मिनेंट x1 माइनस x3, ऑड को ऑड से घटा दो, इवन को इवन से घटा दो. हाफ x1 माइनस x3 y1 माइनस y3 x2 माइनस x4 y2 माइनस y4. सिंपल, ये मॉड्यूलस में होगा ही, तो चाहे जैसे लिखो बस इतना याद रखो, इवन से इवन घटा दो, ऑड से ऑड घटा दो, दैट्स ऑल. Condition of collinearity for 3 points. 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are collinear if any one of the given point lies on the line passing through the remaining 2 points. Thus the required condition is y3 minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 should be equal to x3 minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. means ये है slope method, और x1 minus x2 upon x1 minus x3 equal to y1 minus y2 equal to y1 minus y3, या फिर ट्रायंगल का एरिया जो है वो अलग जीरो है, x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 इक्वल टू जीरो, तब वो पॉइंट्स x1 जो भी तीनों पॉइंट है ए बी सी जो भी हैं वो कोलिनियर होगा. इक्वेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन, अ रिलेशन बिटवीन x एंड y विच इज सेटिस्फाइड बाय कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ एवरी पॉइंट लाइंग ऑन अ लाइन इज कॉल्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन. Here remember that every 1 degree equation in variable x and y always represents a straight line, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a line equation. A and b is not equal to 0 simultaneously. Equation of a line parallel to x axis at a distance a is y equal to a or y equal to minus a. Equation of x axis is y equal to 0. Equation of line parallel to y axis at a distance b is x equal to b or x equal to minus b. Equation of y axis is x equal to 0. Slope of a line, if a given line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis, then slope of this line will be tan theta, and this is usually denoted by letter cap small m equal to tan theta. Obviously the slope of the x axis and line parallel to it is 0 and y axis and line parallel to it does not exist. If a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 and x1 not equal to x2, then slope of line AB will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, means the final slope become m equal to tan theta equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Standard forms of equations of a straight line. Slope intercept form, let m be the slope of a line and c its intercept on y axis, then the equation of this straight line is written as y equal to mx plus c. Point slope form, if m be the slope of a line and it passes through a point x1 y1, then its equation is written as y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. 2 point form, equation of a line passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is written as y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, or simply in determinant form you can write xy1 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 equal to 0. Intercept form, if a and b are the intercepts made by a line on the axis of x and y, its equation is written as x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Normal form, if p is the length of perpendicular on a line from the origin and alpha the angle which this perpendicular makes with positive x-axis, then the equation of this line is written as x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. P is always positive where 0 is less than or equal to alpha is less than 2 pi. Parametric form, to find the equations of a straight line which passes through a given point a h comma k and makes a given angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis. Pxy is any point on the line LAL dash. Let AP equal to R, then x minus h equal to R cos theta, y minus k equal to R sin theta, and the equation of line become x minus h upon cos theta equal to y minus k upon sin theta equal to R is the equation of straight line LAL dash. This is the parametric form of line. Any point P on the given line will be of the form h plus R cos theta and k plus R sin theta, where mod R gives the distance of the point P from the fixed point A, that is h comma k. General form, we know that a first degree equation in x and y, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, always represents a straight line. This form is known as general form of a straight line. Slope of this line can be obtained equal to minus a upon b, that is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Intercept by this line on x axis is equal to minus c upon a, and intercept by this line on y axis equals to minus c upon b. To change the general form of a line to normal form, first take c to right hand side and make it positive, then divide the whole equation by under root a square plus b square. Angle between two lines, angle between two lines is, if theta be the angle between two lines y equal to m1x plus c and y equal to m2x plus c2, then angle is tan theta equal to modulus m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 and m1 into m2. If equation of lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then these lines are parallel if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. Perpendicular if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. Coincident if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. Intersecting if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Length of perpendicular from a point on a line is, length of a perpendicular from a point x1 y1 on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is मॉड्यूलस ए x1 प्लस बी y1 प्लस सी अपॉन अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. यहाँ पर ए बी ये लाइन के कोएफिशिएंट्स हैं इक्वेशन के, और x1 y1 ये हमारा पॉइंट है. ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. In particular, the length of perpendicular from the origin on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is mod c upon under root a square plus b square. Now, distance between two parallel lines. The distance between two parallel line ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0 is modulus c1 minus c2 या modulus c2 minus c1 upon under root a square plus b square. फॉर पैरेलल लाइन ये इक्वेशन याद रखना, हमें वहाँ पर जानना पड़ेगा कि पैरेलल लाइन है या नहीं. कई बार ये प्रोपोर्शन में रहता है, इसलिए पहचानना पड़ेगा कि ए एक्स और बी वाई और ए एक्स बी वाई ये दोनों सेम रहते हैं, सेम रहे या तो प्रोपोर्शन में रहे. द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई इन बोथ इक्वेशन शुड बी सेम. द एरिया ऑफ द पैरेललोग्राम विल बी p1 p2 sin theta where p1 and p2 are distances between two pairs of opposite sides and theta is the angle between any two adjacent sides. Note that area of the parallelogram bounded by the line y equal to m1x plus c1, y equal to m1x plus c2 and y equal to m2x plus d1 and y equal to m2x plus d2 is given by c2 minus c1 modulus में c2 minus c1 into d2 minus d1 upon m2 minus m1. Equations of lines parallel and perpendicular to a given line. Equation of a line parallel to line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is taken as ax plus by plus lambda equal to 0. Equation of line perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is taken as bx minus ay प्लस के इक्वल टू 0. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये जो कोएफिशिएंट है इधर आ जाता है bx में, इधर माइनस ए वाई प्लस के हो जाता है. bx माइनस ए वाई प्लस के इक्वल टू 0. हियर लैम्डा के आर पैरामीटर्स एंड देयर वैल्यूज आर ऑब्टेन्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन इन द प्रॉब्लम. Straight line making a given angle with a line. Equations of a line passing through a point x1 y1 and making an angle alpha with the line y equal to mx plus c is written as y minus y1 equal to m plus minus tan alpha upon 1 minus plus m tan alpha into x minus x1. So this is the equation of straight line making an angle alpha. position of 2 points with respect to a given line is, let the given line be ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and p x1 y1 q x2 y2 be 2 points if the quantities ax1 plus by1 plus c and ax2 plus by2 plus c have the same signs, then both the points p and q lie on the same side of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If the quantities ax1 plus by1 plus c and ax2 plus by2 plus c have opposite signs, then they lie on the opposite sides of the line. सिंपली गिवन पॉइंट्स को इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन में रख के चेक करना है साइन, अगर दोनों साइन की पॉजिटिव या मतलब सेम साइन है तो दोनों एक ही साइड पे रहेंगे लाइन के, अगर दोनों के साइन डिफरेंट आ रहे हैं तो वो अपोजिट साइड में है. कॉन्करेंसी ऑफ अ लाइन, कॉन्करेंट लाइन पता है, लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द सेम पॉइंट. थ्री लाइन्स a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 and a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0 are concurrent if delta determinant equal to a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 a3 b3 c3 equals to 0. Note, if lines are concurrent then delta equal to 0, but if delta equal to 0 then you cannot say that line may or may not be concurrent, that is line may be parallel. Reflection of a point, let pxy be any point. Suppose here in first quadrant pxy is any point, then its image with respect to x axis will be qx comma minus y, with respect to y axis it will be r minus xy, and with respect to s axis, with respect to origin it is going to be, with respect to origin it is minus x minus y, and with respect to this line y equal to x it will be ty comma x. Transformation of axis, shifting of origin without rotation of axis. If coordinates of any point p x y with respect to new origin alpha beta will be x dash y dash, then x equal to x dash plus alpha, y equal to y dash plus beta, means x dash equal to x minus alpha, y dash equal to y minus beta. Thus if origin is shifted to a point alpha beta without rotation of axis, then new equation of curve can be obtained by putting x plus alpha in place of x and y plus beta in place of y. Now rotation of axis without shifting the origin. अब तो हम ओरिजिन तो सेम रखे लेकिन हम रोटेट कर दे रहे हैं पूरे एक्सिस कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम को. लेट ओ बी द ओरिजिन, लेट पी इक्वल टू एक्स वाई विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्सेस ओ एक्स एंड ओ वाई, लेट पी एक्स डैश वाई डैश विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्सेस ओ एक्स डैश एंड ओ वाई डैश, वेयर एंगल एक्स डैश ओ एक्स, एंगल एक्स डैश ओ एक्स इक्वल्स टू थीटा इक्वल टू एंगल वाई डैश ओ वाई या वाई ओ वाई डैश इक्वल टू थीटा. ये दोनों एंगल थीटा पे है क्योंकि इतना एंगल हमारा उठा है. तो क्या होगा हमारा x जो पॉइंट होगा वो x डैश कॉस थीटा माइनस y डैश साइन थीटा हो जाएगा. y वाला जो पॉइंट होगा वो होगा x डैश साइन थीटा प्लस y डैश कॉस थीटा, और x डैश जो होगा हमारा वो x कॉस थीटा प्लस y साइन थीटा होगा, और y डैश हमारा माइनस x साइन थीटा प्लस y कॉस थीटा होगा. इस रिलेशन को, इन चारों रिलेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये चारों के चारों रिलेशन वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो द अबव रिलेशन इफ यू वांट टू लर्न between x y and x dash y, it can be easily obtained with the help of this table. This is old, this is new. New is x dash, y dash, old is x y. How you have to take? Now suppose you have to carry out x dash, so x dash equal to x multiply by cos theta plus y multiply by sin theta. So the value of x dash is, see here, x dash equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta, then x dash equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta. For y dash it is minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. See, y dash equal to minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now if you have to carry out in terms of x, carry out in terms of x, x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. x dash, x के लिए x dash cos theta माइनस का y dash sin theta. अब y के लिए है हमारे पास, y के लिए है x dash sin theta माइन प्लस का y डैश cos थीटा, y है हमारा x डैश sin थीटा प्लस का y डैश cos थीटा. इक्वेशन ऑफ बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ एंगल्स बिटवीन टू लाइन. इफ द इक्वेशन ऑफ टू इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स आर a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then equation of bisectors of the angles between these lines are written as a1x plus b1y plus c1 upon under root a1 square plus b1 square equal to plus minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 upon under root a2 square plus b2 square. Equation of bisector of angle containing origin. If the equation of the lines are written with constant terms c1 and c2 positive, then the equation of the bisectors of the angle containing the origin is obtained by taking positive sign in first. equation of bisector of acute or obtuse angle. See, whatever the constant terms C1 and C2 into equations are positive or not. See whether the constant terms C1 and C2 into equations are positive or not. If not, then multiply both the sides of the given equation by -1 to make the constant terms positive. Determine the sign of A1 A2 plus B1 B2. If sign of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is plus for obtuse angle bisector, use plus sign in equation first. For acute angle bisector, use minus sign equation 1. If sign of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is minus, then use minus sign in equation 1 for obtuse angle bisector and plus sign for acute angle bisector. That is, if A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is greater than 0, then the bisector corresponding to positive sign gives the obtuse angle bisector. A1x plus B1y plus C1 upon under root A1 square plus B1 square equal to plus chi A2x plus B2y plus C2 upon under root A2 square plus B2 square. Family of lines. If equation of two lines be P equal to A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0 and Q equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0, then the equation of the lines passing through the point of intersection of these lines is P plus lambda Q equal to 0 or A1x plus B1y plus C1 plus lambda times A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. The value of lambda is obtained with the help of the additional informations given in the problem. General equation and homogeneous equations of second degree. A general equation of second degree is ax square plus 2hx plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It represents a pair of straight lines if delta equal to abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0 or ahg bf c. So this is what symmetrical equation. It represents general equation of line in 2 degree. Means two variable. If theta in 2 degree means square root. If theta be the angle between the lines, then tan theta equal to plus minus 2 under root h square minus ab upon a plus b. Obviously these lines are parallel. If delta equal to 0, that is h square equal to ab, or if h square equal to ab and bg square equal to af square. Perpendicular, if a plus b equal to 0, that is coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is 0, then the line is perpendicular. Homogeneous equation of second degree ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 always represents a pair of straight lines whose equations are y equal to minus h plus minus under root h square minus ab upon b into x, which is equivalent to y equal to m1x and y equal to m2x, and m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h upon b and m1 into m2 equal to a upon b. These straight lines passes through the origin, and for finding the angle between these lines, same formula as given for general equation is used. The condition that these lines are at right angles to each other is a plus b equal to 0. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square should be 0. कोइंसिडेंट के लिए h square equal to ab. Equally inclined के लिए to the axis h equal to 0, that is coefficient of xy should be 0. The combined equation of the angle bisector between the lines represented by homogeneous equation of second degree is given by x square minus y square upon a minus b equal to xy upon h. A not equal to b, h not equal to 0. Pair of straight lines perpendicular to the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 and through origin are given by bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square equal to 0. If lines ax square plus 2hx plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 are parallel, then distance between them is twice under root g square minus ac upon a into a plus b. 22. Equations of lines joining the points of the intersection of a line and a curve to the origin. Let the equation of curve will be this, and straight line will be lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Now join the equation of line OP and OQ joining the origin and points of intersection P and Q can be obtained by making the equation first homogeneous with the help of equation of line like this: ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus fy into lx plus my upon minus n plus c lx plus my upon minus n का whole square equal to 0. 23rd. Standard results. Area of rhombus formed by lines a mod x plus b mod y plus c equal to 0 or plus minus ax plus minus by plus c equal to 0 is 2c square upon mod ab. Area of triangle formed by line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and axis is c square upon 2 mod ab. coordinate of foot of perpendicular h comma k from x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by h minus x1 upon a equal to k minus y1 upon b equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. Image of point x1 y1 with respect to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by h minus x1 upon a equal to k minus y1 upon b equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So image of point, this is the direct formula to derive h minus x1. x1 is the point, image of a point का coordinates हैं h और k हमें पता है, h minus x1 upon a equal to k minus y1 upon b equal to minus 2 ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So we have completed the straight line. So let us revise once again what we have read today. In straight line we have read relation between Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinate system, distance formula and its application, section formula, coordinates of some particular points we have seen, and then area of triangle, condition of collinearity for 3 points, don't forget the area of quadrilateral, equation of straight line, slope of a line, intercept form, point slope form, 2 point slope form, intercept form, normal form, parametric form, general form of a line, angle between two lines, length of perpendicular from a point on a line, distance between two parallel lines, equation of lines parallel and perpendicular to given line, straight line making a given angle with a line, position of 2 points with respect to a given line, concurrency of lines, reflection of a point, transformation of axis, शिफ्टिंग ऑफ ओरिजिन विदाउट रोटेशन ऑफ एक्सेस. इसमें हमने 2 चीज़ें पढ़ी थी, एक शिफ्टिंग ऑफ ओरिजिन हो रहा है बिना रोटेशन के, दूसरा रोटेशन ऑफ एक्सेस हो रहा है विदाउट शिफ्टिंग ओरिजिन. 19 पॉइंट इक्वेशन ऑफ बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ एंगल्स बिटवीन टू लाइंस हमने देखा, डायरेक्ट फॉर्म, फैमिली ऑफ लाइन, जनरल इक्वेशन एंड होमोजीनियस इक्वेशन ऑफ सेकेंड डिग्री हमने देखा. फिर आता है इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइंस ज्वाइनिंग द पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ अ लाइन एंड अ कर्व टू द ओरिजिन देखा. स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट्स फिर कुछ हमने देखे. सो दैट्स all in the straight line chapter. I hope guys, if you like this video then please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.